I've gotten a couple of questions on what kind of fertilizer I'm using. This is the fish fertilizer by the brand Alaska. You can find this on my Amazon link, or you can find it at your big box stores. I find that a liquid fertilizer is so much easier for me to understand. Okay, so apply every 3 weeks during the growing season. So this is going to be my first fertilizing for the season, and then every 3 weeks, probably going to push it to maybe even every 2 weeks to water the garden and make sure that it's fertilized. All right, and so it says that you put 2 tablespoons per gallon of water, and this is 2 gallons. So to be honest, I just eyeball this and just put it inside. It also stinks really bad. Fudge. So I just, like I said, put the fertilizer in there. I didn't shake it up, but for the most part, just a little sprinkle. And it doesn't burn your plants, which is great. So you can't like overdo this. Oh my gosh, this. Try not to smell this. Here, you definitely want it for the tomatoes. And that's it. Fertilizing is done.